Laundry hacks everyone needs to know. One of the weekly responsibilities that every one of us has is doing the laundry. It's a lot of work and takes time away from what we'd rather be doing. Today's video teaches you the easiest ways to get laundry done with the least amount of effort. Next time you wash your clothing, try some of these tips to make your life easier. 1. Use shaving cream to get rid of oil-based stains. Due to its foamy nature, shaving cream can penetrate the fabric's fibers and remove stains that a standard liquid soap cannot. Shaving cream may be used to gently work in stains by applying a small amount to the affected area of the cloth. 2. Add salt to prevent colors from fading. Add half cup of salt to your washing machine at the beginning of the cycle. This works by binding with the color in the cloth, preventing it from washing away during the rinse cycle. 3. Use vinegar as a natural fabric softener. Vinegar functions just as effectively as commercial softeners and leaves no residue. Given that vinegar is acidic and aids in the breakdown of laundry detergent, it will be easier to rinse your clothing, particularly if you have hard water. Vinegar has antimicrobial properties and can also eliminate persistent smells. 4. Aluminum foil to remove static cling. A ball of aluminum foil the size of a ping-pong ball can be placed inside the dryer to eliminate static cling. Because of its conductive qualities, it aids in reducing the static electricity that causes clothing to adhere to one another. When used as a dryer sheet, this can last about 6 months before needing to be replaced with a new ball of aluminum foil. 5. Use baking soda and peroxide instead of bleach. Although bleach is an effective stain remover, it can harm the fabric of your garments. Make a paste of equal parts hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and water, cover the affected area, let sit for 30 to 60 minutes, and then wash as normal. 6. Speed drying time with a towel. Throw a clean, dry towel in the dryer with your clothing if you need to dry them fast. The towel will assist in removing moisture from your clothing. 7. Get rid of wrinkles with ice cubes. Put a few ice cubes in the dryer with your clothing if you don't have time to iron them. 8. Use hair conditioner to unshrink clothes. To return your clothing to its natural size, soak it in a mix of water and some hair conditioner, then gently stretch back to size. 9. Use hairspray or hand sanitizer to remove ink stains. Both hand sanitizer and hairspray include alcohol, which has a strong solvent effect. Allow the stain to rest for at least 10 minutes after applying either product, and then wash as usual. 10. Lemons to brighten whites. Put sliced lemons and water in a pot, bring to a boil, turn off the heat, and add your garments. After an hour of soaking, wash them as normal. Instead of putting them in the dryer, let them air dry for an added boost. 11. Add a tennis ball into the dryer. Comforters, pillows, and other bedding will stay beautiful, fluffy, and even dry faster if you put 2 or 3 tennis balls in the dryer with them. 12. Clean your washing machine on a regular basis. In order to keep your clothing looking and smelling fantastic, it's critical to clean your washing machine every week and get rid of the buildup. Combine 2 cups of vinegar with 1/4 cup each of baking soda and water, pour into your washing machine's detergent reservoir, and run a cycle at the highest temperature. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.